Okay, now I'm going to take them. These are my precious. These are actually, the bracelets are my personal collection. I don't sell them. I love them. And I'm going to show you one by one the rings that I got from Barcelona, and some of them are Iranian ancient, very old coin in silver, and some are like a charm. You can have it as necklace, but I'm going to wear them one by one and show you, and you see how some of them are from Turkey. Yes, I'll show you. I will go in details very soon. So I'm going to just bring everything out of the box to show you more clearly, and you see all the precious coins, and this is for you who are in love with coins. Okay, now I'm going to wear some of the silver rings made with Iranian ancient coin. This is very old coin, and these ones that I'm going to try, all these three are the same coin, and the ring size is just different. And if I tell you what is the coin for in Farsi, we say Robi, and this is for many years ago when we had the kingdom in Iran. And Robi is actually, it's crazy because it means like 1/4 of 1 real, and I really don't know exactly how much is the value of 1/4 of 1 real now, but the value of the this ancient silver coin, of course, is priceless. So let's see how it looks. This is another coin. It's called Dogeran in Farsi, and I have to figure it out how much is Dogeran in US dollar. I have no idea right now. And the symbol you see is the symbol of Iranian kingdom, lion and sun. This is very precious and priceless, and I have it in 2 different sizes. This one is 50 dinar, 50 dinar we say in Farsi, 50 dinar, and with the lion and sun symbol of Iranian kingdom. And I have these 2 with some Arabic words which is not very much readable, but I got them in Iran. And yeah, just look if you know, if you can read what is writing in here. Comment below for me. But these are very vintage, ancient. This coin ring, I love the ring style, but the coin is for 1963, and it says here Liberty. This one I got in Barcelona in a market, and this one as well. This is also same coin with another style ring. You see the Liberty. If you are expert in coins, comment below what is this coin exactly from. And this one, actually I made it myself when I was in Iran. This is not a real gold, but this is a gold, 18 karat gold coin. But this is not a coin, just the shape of the coin. And I made it as a ring because I'm thinking mixing of gold and silver is a great mix. and I love it. This ring I got in Istanbul in a vintage shop, and yeah, it looks like a coin, but I'm not sure if this is a real coin or is just an inspiration from a coin, but I like the design. And this charm is also from the same shop in Istanbul. I love this. Can you see the detail? This one is 1 real with face of last king of Iran, and it calls Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi, Ariamer Shahanshah Iran. So the name of the king of Iran was Mohammad Reza Shah Pahlavi, and I got this when I was in Iran 2 years ago, and this is a cute design with 3 small pearls on it. I will try and you see how it looks. Okay, now I have the necklaces on me. You can see this one I used a longer chain, and this one is looking nicer with a short chain, but you can also think of your own style, but I love it like this. You can also layer them and combine all the coin jewelry. And you see here I have the coin earring as well, and these are my personal bracelets. I love them. They are most of the time with me. In case I want to do some different photo shoot, I will take them out. You can see the detail. Love it, love it, love it. I'm going to wear them and you see how it looks. So here we have all the coin bracelets. I am just in love with them. Did you like the coin collection? Until next time, so much love is always here.